Greetings, Africans. How are you, Africans? I hope you guys are well. I'm good, guys. My name is Tebos Kosana, and this is my channel. Guys, I've got breaking news for you. Breaking news about the former executive mayor of Maluta Phofung local municipality, Vos Chabalala. Vos Chabalala has joined the Umkhonto weSizwe party, right? Vos Chabalala has joined the Umkhonto weSizwe party. Vos Chabalala served as the Maluta Phofung local municipality executive mayor from 2013 or 2014, if I'm not mistaken, right? Up until some point, sometime in 2017, right? He served. He was actually one of the youngest executive mayors, right? Was one actually. I think he still holds the record as the Maluta Phofung's youngest executive mayor, because at the time when he became the executive mayor, was around was in his early 30s, right? When he became the executive mayor, and he's known for his close